Hey guys, coming up on Cook With Adam, we'll be making orange chicken lettuce wraps with roasted peanuts. Stay tuned. Before we get started, just a few things. If you need the recipe guide, link in the description, shoots over to the site, and you can follow step by step. If you need any of the utensils I use for this or any of my other meals, by all means, links in the description or on the site as well. And finally, this meal is being brought to you by Home Chef, so if you'd like to try them out for free, there's a link to a trial in the description and on the site as well. So with that said, let's get going. Here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. We have 8 ounces of slaw mix. We have 2 teaspoons of sriracha. We have 2 fluid ounces of spicy orange sauce. There you go. We have 1 head of butter lettuce. We have 1.5 fluid ounces of Asian sesame dressing. We have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, approximately 13 ounces, so each are about 6.5 ounces, give or take. And finally, 1 ounce of roasted peanuts. Utensils, again, pretty simple stuff. You need 1 pan, 2 mixing bowls. You need a little container to slice and dice, or this time crush, some peanuts. As always, salt and pepper. Your favorite knife. Some olive oil. That's it. So first thing we're going to do is rinse the lettuce really well, and then we're going to make cups. Next, we're going to just coarsely chop the peanuts. So next step, we're going to take the rinsed chicken out of the paper towels and put some salt and pepper on both sides. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons or so of some olive oil. You want to have the pan already hot. Spread it around. And we're going to cook the chicken about 6 minutes each side until we have the right internal temperature. First side's been cooked for about 6 minutes. We're going to turn over, cook for another 6 minutes. Once we get to a temperature of 165, we're going to let them rest for 5 minutes. Make the slaw and the sauce. Okay, so they've been now cooking for about 6 minutes. We're going to now let them rest and make the slaw. So we're now going to let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes and make the slaw. Very simple to do. I'm going to cut this open. We'll just tear it open. Put it in a medium-sized bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Take the Asian sesame dressing. Add that. Take your spoon and fork, mix together, combine nicely as best as possible. A few times over. And you're just gonna put this to the side, let it marinate for a few minutes. Easy peasy. It's been resting for about 5 minutes. We're now gonna slice it, and then we're gonna toss it in the mixing bowl with the sriracha and the orange sauce. So it's pretty simple. It's cut about a 1/4 inch or so. The chicken in a bowl, add the spicy orange sauce and sriracha. Mix together. Get a good coating on all the chicken. We're now going to plate the dish. Again, here we go. Take some of the lettuce. Add some chicken. Add some slaw. Some peanuts. First one done. And repeat. There we go. More chicken. About 3 or 4 pieces each, give or take. Some more slaw. Obviously for the bigger leaves you can put more in. There you go. Here's first 3. Stay tuned for review. Again, great meal. It's very quick to make. I think anyone who's not filming could probably make this about 15 minutes or so. Okay, maybe 17 if you have to wait and let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes. And it's really tasty. The chicken was very juicy. You got a kick from the sriracha and the spicy orange sauce. It really comes together very nicely. So 2 people would have no problem feeling satisfied after this meal, possibly even 2 people and a child. So if you guys have made this already, comment below if you haven't made it and now you made it. Let me know what you think. Also, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, as well as all my other videos, please smash that like button. Until next time, keep cooking.